Pizza Pro is the first real random pizza generator for iPad, iPhone, and iPod Touch. On the iPhone, you must first click the menu button to create a pizza, add and remove random items with the plus and minus buttons. Choose the ingredients you want by scrolling the menu and clicking them. If you find a pizza you would like to order, press the Order Out button. Pizza Pro will automatically find the nearest pizzerias. Click on the pizza place you want to reveal their contact information. If you create an amazing combination, save it to your favorites by clicking the Save button. You can also share your favorite combinations with friends and family using Facebook, Twitter, or email. With over 1 billion different possibilities, keep pressing go until you discover the pizza you like. Have fun with Pizza Pro.